to feed the chickens. Look at the little feet. This is where they put their eggs. Husband collecting the eggs. Okay,
this is my favorite one. She eats out of my hand all the time.
Aww. The eggs we've collected today. This little rabbit just put babies. They're under the fur. Oh, look at them.
They're donkeys, kids.
Aww.
They have a mixture of colors. Oh
I
my god.
know,
It's
so
black, gray, and white.
That's the mama.
That's
And this is their daddy. His name is Donkey.
with the dog. Hope he never tries to eat the chicken.
This is our dog son.
Yeah. It's a here. And then
Aww.
this one could be Night Fury.
Night Fury. Is that the name you're giving her?
I'll give her Night Fury.
Night Fury.
She like me.
We're feeding the chickens. Her name is officially Night Fury. That's Alex's favorite chicken.
There you go, Night Fury. Don't let her.
Night Fury. That's her name.